All right, last of our AC method for factoring these quadratics. So on this one, if you'll notice, you'll have to look deeply. All three terms, they can be divided by something. Obviously, we're going to divide by a negative, so we get rid of that negative sign there. But 3 goes into all those. So I'm going to factor out a -3. Okay, so this is going to turn it to a positive, and it's going to be a 12. 12x squared. Negative and a negative, that's going to make that a positive. 5. And this was a positive, so now it's going to be a -2. Okay. All right, AC method. We'll do that one. So bring down our -3. I know I got to have that. We're going to do 12 and 2. That's going to give us 24, but it's negative because that was negative. And our B term is going to go there. So they multiply to -24, and they are going to, or they multiply to 24, and they're going to subtract to give you 5. All right, so multiply to 24 and subtract to give you 5. Oh, huh. You probably already have it. There you go. So multiply to 24 has got to be this row, and these numbers will subtract to give you 5. 3 and 8. Okay, so it's a 3 and an 8. Now, different signs. So one's positive, one's negative, and the bigger number has to be positive. So this is positive, that's negative. And then we need to divide them. Ooh, this is weird. We got to divide them by 12. We have to divide them by that A term. So both of these are going to divide here. 8 over 12, if you divide those by 4 to simplify them, that's going to give you 2/3. And then this one, 3 and 12, you can divide them by 3. That's going to give you -1/4. Okay, so that one and that one. So this fraction is going to correspond to 3x plus 2. Man, I really don't like this method, and you're going to see why as we progress, as we go further, because there's a different thing dealing with fractions, and you're not going to like it. It's going to feel weird. This one, it's going to be, pull that 4 up, 4x minus 1, and that's it. That would be our answer. So, plug in some number for x if you want to check your answer. Like plug in 3 for x and see if that does it, or almost any number will work. Okay, there you go.